Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add dollar, euro sign, or any currency in Excel here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to navigate to our button search bar, and here you need to type for Excel. The moment you have typed it, please go with the best match and click on open to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the Excel itself. So let me just click on blank workbook so that I can give you an example on how to add such. Okay, so let's say for example, 100,000. Okay, so in order to add a dollar or euro sign in here, whatever currency that we wanted to add such, you just have to do a right click. And here, once you have scrolled down, you would be able to see an option called Format Cells. Click on it, and the moment you have the click on it, this new window called Format Cells will appear, where here you need to proceed a number, and under to that, you'd be able to see different categories. Proceed on currency, and the moment you have the click in it, you'd be able to see symbol where it contains the sign or the dollar sign that you can choose to. Just have to click this down arrow and select the currency or sign that you would like to add with. Okay. So let's say we gonna choose with the dollar sign under United States. So just have to locate it. So I can see it here, English United States. Click on OK. The moment you have the click on it, it will be added here. The dollar sign will be added. Okay. So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.